Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Wart from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Wart from the Super Mario Galaxy movie, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to begin by making a sad face shape for the nose. Next, right here, I'm going to curve a line up and I'll curve another line up for the bottom of the eyes. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down, and then we're going to go up and down again. Connect right to there. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down here, and we're going to go up and down here. I'm going to make a little oval shape here and here, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. We're also going to make a little line that comes down. I'm going to make two small curves for the nose. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and down, and we'll kind of do the same thing on this side. Now, for his mouth, we're going to start down here. We're going to go down. I'm going to bring this across, and we're going to go back up. I'm going to go down here and down here. Then we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve right up to here and then come down. I'm going to bring this down. We're going to draw a line across for the teeth and a line across for the teeth. I'm going to kind of bring two little lines down like this, and then we're just going to make another long line here. We're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go around here like this, just kind of show where his lips would be. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. Then I'm going to bring this up to about here. And same thing here, kind of bring this up and in a little bit. I'm going to bring this up and then down, and then same thing here, bring this up and then down. We're going to make a little line across. And we're going to bring a line up here. I'm going to color in a little bit around here, just to kind of show where his teeth are. I'll do that same thing here, just kind of color in a little bit, just show where his teeth are. Now for his crown, let's make an oval shape. Then we're going to make a line goes up and down, and then we're going to go up and down to here. Same thing, up and down, then up and down to here. Little line across. Circle shape. Circle shape. One more like this for 4 right across there. Now, let's work on his hands. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go kind of pointed, and it's going to be round to like here. We'll do that same thing here, kind of make that rounded top and then that pointed base there. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down to a point, and I'm going to bring it to here. I'm going to make one right here. And then I'm going to make one right here, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space. Let's connect this to here, and we'll connect this to here. We're also going to bring this line down. Then we're just going to make a round shape here. We'll make a curve. We'll make a sad face, and then a bigger sad face here. and then another kind of curved shape for his claws. Let's do that over here. This time we're going to make this one come down and then up. We're going to go down to a point and up. And then this one, we're going to go down and then up to here. We're going to make that curve right across. We'll put a curve here for the claw. We'll do one here, and then this we're just going to go down more. Then we just want to connect all of the fingers together. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. And we'll do that same thing here, right underneath the hand and curve it up towards the face. I'm going to make this line curve up here for part of his jacket. And then same thing here, kind of curve it up and in. Now, right here for his body, we're just going to go down. And we're going to curve this up here. Right here for the leg, we're just going to go down and we're going to bring it into here. Same thing on this side. Let's just go down and then bring it right in there. Let's go down with a point and bring it over. Same thing here, down with a point, and we're going to bring it over and then up. We'll do that over here. Down to a point and back, down to a point and back, and we're just going to bring it up here. We're going to make a little line back here. Then we're going to put a curve and a curve. And then a little curve and a little curve for the toes. Let's draw a little line that's going to come down. And a little line that's going to come down and then connect. Next, let's work on his necklace. So let's begin by drawing a circle right here on him. Then we're going to make kind of like a diamond shape. So we're going to kind of curve it though. We're going to go over and down. Then we're going to go over and down again. Next, let's draw two lines that come down and two lines that come down. Then we'll make a couple little lines on here. Put about 3 little lines. Then let's just go ahead and make a little line that curves up, and then it's going to curve back down for his stomach. And there you go. There's your drawing of Wart from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.